So CPR is cardiopulmonary resuscitation. Okay? Sige, so what are the essential steps? Center. You put what's next? Okay, place the heel of the other hand on top of the first and interlocking. So, sige nga, ganyan. Tapos you put at the top yung isa. And then interlock. Can I see the hands po? Interlocking hands. Okay, interlock. Close it. Here. Yan. Okay, you place it at the center. Ito. Yung kneel. Okay.
Good.
Okay, wait to do CPR. Make sure your hands. Okay, listen guys. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. No, straight ang hands yan. Straight, ito.
14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 30.
Okay, wait.
Can you make it louder, Nanay? Baby shark, baby shark, baby shark, mommy shark, mommy shark, mommy shark, mommy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark, grandma shark, grandma shark, grandma shark, grandma shark, grandpa shark.
I promise to eat fruits and vegetables to keep my heart strong. Exercise and play to make my heart happy and healthy. Be kind to others, spreading love and joy.
Pakitakbo na rin. Jalel! Sige, ang saya-saya mo. Parang isang daang bata yun nandito. Ang saya-saya nila.